Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to recover Snapchat account. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Snapchat account is not working or it has been locked, so I will show you the process how to unlock it. This mostly happens when you violate any community guideline, or if you add or remove maximum friend request at the same time. Because of this reason your account will be locked or disabled. So I will show you process how to unlock it. Guys, first of all you need to open Google Chrome. Type here Snapchat support. You can see here support.snapchat.com, support.snapchat.com. Just tap on this, scroll down a little bit. Guys, you can see here troubleshooting. Just tap on this. In this you can see here login and new account troubleshooting. Just tap on this, scroll down a little bit. You can see here the Snapchat account may be locked. In this you need to type on what to do if your Snapchat account is locked. Just type on this. Guys, again you need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here your account has been locked because it was compromised. In this you need to tap on contact our support team here. Just tap on this. Guys, in this you need to select the reason why your account has been locked. I think my account has been hacked. I forgot my password. I cannot create an account. I cannot verify my email or mobile number. I don't have my login verification code. My account is locked. I see an error when I log in. Guys, in this, if you don't know any appropriate reason why your account has been locked, then you have to select this first option. I think my account has been hacked. After selecting this, scroll down a little bit. You can see here you need to type a username in this first box. After typing username, below you need to type your email ID which is linked to your Snapchat account. Guys, after typing the email ID, I need to type your mobile number which your Snapchat account is linked. After typing that, here you need to type some of the matter what I will show you to type here. Guys, you can see here I had typed some of the matter which you need to type in your Snapchat information box. Hi Snapchat team. I am unable to log in to my Snapchat account because it has been locked. I had not misused any community guidelines. I think my account has been hacked, so I kindly request you to solve my problem as soon as possible. You need to type this type of matter. Guys, after typing this type of matter, just tap on the send button. After typing this send button, you need to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. Within 24 to 48 hours, your account will be unlocked. That's it guys. So in this way you can unlock your Snapchat account. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.